If you need to transfer a domain in Namecheap, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. Whether you're moving a domain to a client, a partner, or another account you control, the steps are simple once you know where to click. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to your domain list. This is where all of your registered domains are displayed in one place, so make sure you locate the exact domain you want to transfer. If you manage several domains, take a moment to double-check that you're selecting the right one, because the transfer will be sent to the email address you enter next. After you find the correct domain, click Manage Next to that domain. This will open the settings page for that specific domain. On the management screen, look for the Sharing and Transfer tab. This tab contains the options for sharing access and changing ownership, so this is where the transfer process begins. Once you open that tab, find the Change Ownership section. This is the area you'll use to send the domain to a new Namecheap account holder. In the email field, enter the email address of the new owner. Make sure you type it carefully, because even a small typo can send the invitation to the wrong place or cause the transfer to fail. I always recommend double-checking the email address before moving forward. After confirming the email is correct, click Change. Namecheap will then ask you to enter your account password to verify your identity. This is an important security step, so go ahead and type in your Namecheap password when prompted. Once you've entered it, click Change again to finalize the transfer request. At this point, Namecheap will send an email invitation to the new owner. The transfer is not fully complete until that person accepts the invitation, so this next step is very important. Ask the new owner to check their inbox, open the email from Namecheap, and follow the instructions in the message to accept the domain. If they don't see the email right away, they should also check their spam or promotions folder just in case. After they accept, the domain ownership will be transferred successfully. And that's it. You've now learned how to transfer a domain in Namecheap. It only takes a few minutes, but the key is making sure the email address is correct and the new owner completes the acceptance step. If this guide helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe for more Namecheap tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.